إنها ليست مشكلتك وحدك، بل إنها مشكلة جميع الأمهات العربيات التي تعيش في بلاد المهجر. مشكلة تثقل الصدور وترهق البال. سؤال دائما يطرح في الأذهان: كيف أعلم أبنائي لغة الدين؟ السلام عليكم أطفال، كيف حالكم؟ أتمنى أن تكونوا بخير. السلام عليكم kids, how are you doing? I hope that you're doing very well. Today Saturday, we're gonna meet every Saturday to learn Arabic. Are you excited? Yay! Yeah! So today we're gonna learn another alphabet. But before we learn the new alphabet, we're gonna see what I have here. What do you think? An apple, yes, an apple, but I decorated the apple. So for snack, it's better to have fruit than just have junk food like chips, cookies, sweets. We're gonna get some once a while, but not every day. Better to have fruits. I have here fruit with before that, let's see which fruit. An apple, right. ماذا نقول؟ تفاح. تفاح. Repeat after me. تفاح. Apple, one apple. تفاحة. تفاحة. Then we have strawberry. Strawberry is توت. Repeat after me. توت. So we have تفاحة. Then we have توت. Here I put some peanut butter on the apple. It's very delicious. Yummy, 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 yummy. You can eat it and you're gonna be full. So we have توت. What do you think? توت starts with what? Which letter? T. T. توت. T. T. Right? T. In Arabic حرف التاء. حرف التاء. Let's repeat after me. تفاحة. ت. 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 حرف تاء. حرف التاء. So today's lesson is about حرف التاء. Stay with me to the end of the video and you're gonna learn how to write it and how to read it with حركات and with مدود, with short vowels and with long vowels. So stay with me, don't go away. I have some surprises for you, something different than last time. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So what I'm gonna do, I want you to open your eyes and your ears and listen to me and see what I'm gonna do. افتحوا العينين، أذنين، وانتبهوا. انتباه. We're gonna use the dough. Today سنستعمل العجين. سنأخذ العجين. Like we're gonna get the dough. I'm gonna get some of it. Okay. Then I'm gonna do like a rope. Like a rope here. Then this is a rope. Then I'm gonna put it like this, just a little, like حرف الباء. We said حرف الباء has a dot at the bottom because ba, bottom. What do you think about ta? Start with ta. She has two dots at the top. So ba, bottom, ta, top, and two. حرف التاء عنده نقطتين في الأعلى. نقطتين في الأعلى. Because I already, so I don't want the video will be long, so I already made this. So حرف التاء, repeat after me. أعيد. ت ت ت حرف التاء. ماذا سنقول لما نعمل الفتحة؟ الفتحة أين هي؟ في الأعلى أو الأسفل؟ It's the top. We're gonna open our mouth. ت ت. So I'm gonna put the ت like here. فتحة. Open your mouth. Ta ta ta, because it's the top. Ta ta ta. If I put it at the bottom, we call it kasra. We call it kasra. At the bottom, kasra. So the mouth is not open at the top. It's just stay at the bottom, like T, T, T. So T. Repeat. T, T. If I put دمة, when I put لما أضع الدمة سنقول تو تو ونفس دائرة الفم, and the mouth is a circle. تو تو with the letter T, t, the sound T, then I circle my mouth. تو تو. This is حركات قصيرة. حركات قصيرة, فتحة, كسرة, ضمة. هذه ضمة. تو. هذه فتحة. ت at the top. ت. When it's at the bottom, لما تكون في الأسفل, تي تي. حسن جدا. الآن تعرفنا على حرف التاء. تعرفنا على حرف التاء. سنضعه هنا with his thing here. Gonna move everything. Then we're gonna move on to our notebook. Do you have your notebook with you? What did I say? We need to have our box next to us. So notebook is very precious notebook because we're gonna learn Arabic. What we say, Arabic is our key to Quran, and Quran is our key to heaven. So العربية هي مفتاحنا للقرآن، والقرآن مفتاحنا للجنة إن شاء الله نكون جميعا. So before we write anything on حرف التاء, نراجع دائما. نراجع. Every time we need to review, right? Did you review during the week? Who reviewed? Let's put it on the comment. If you reviewed your حرف الباء, let's put it on the comment. So با, حرف الباء, نقطة في الأسفل. So it's با, بو, بي. مع المدود با, بو, بي. and باب, باب. حسن جدا, حسن جدا. very good. الآن عندنا حرف التاء. كنت برينتيتها من الانترنت, وعندنا توتون. توتون حرف التاء. we're gonna glue it here. سنلصق هنا. هو العنوان ديالنا حرف التاء, وهذه الصورة هنا, and this in here, right? like حرف دائما we're gonna put the حرف هنا and the picture here. So we're gonna color. Yeah, kids, let's color. Everyone, I'm gonna color حرف التاء مع هذا اللون. أزرق. أزرق. Repeat after me. أزرق. It didn't glue yet. Didn't stick. أزرق. دائما نبدأ من اليمين إلى اليسار. From the right to the left. Okay, and the strawberry, which color? Yes, you're right. أحمر. نعم، حسن جدا. strawberries باللون الأحمر. أحمر. Repeat after me. أحمر. And the leaves, which color? بأي لون هذه الأوراق هناك؟ أي نعم، who said it? Write it down in the comments. اكتبوها. قولوا ماماكم تكتب لكم ايش من لون الأوراق تكون. If you listen to me, we know who's listening, who's not, who's paying attention and who's not. I'm gonna give you to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. نعم، حسن جدا. إنه اللون الأخضر. أخضر. green. أخضر. green. أخضر. Are you enjoying to learn Arabic? Sure, yes, I'm happy too that you're enjoying it. Okay, هذا. So حرف التاء. Just give me a second. How we write it? We're gonna start from the right to the left. 2 dots, right? حرف التاء, like this. Two dots on top. نقطتان في الأعلى, like this. ت. Then I'm gonna put the حركات. فتحة في الأعلى. ت. ضمة. تو. كسرة. تي. Let's write it with long vowel. See, we don't put this here, like this. When ta at the beginning doesn't have this end. فتحة goes with alif. تا. ضمة goes like same. تو with واو. And T goes with yeah. I'm gonna do it twice so you can see it. So we're gonna repeat one more time. I'm gonna get it closer so you can see. أعيد من بعدي. تا. تو. تي. تا. تو. تي. One more time. تا. تو. تي. تا. تو. تي. حسن جدا. Very good. And what we said strawberries are? توتن. توتن. What we hear? T. 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 T is 2 dots. But two it has a dhamma. But we say tutun, it's a long vowel. We say tutun, then another t. Tutun. So tutun. I'm gonna say the tanween after that, not today. Let's see. tutun. وبهذا انتهينا الدرس اليوم. With this we finish our lesson. Now you know your alphabet باء and تاء. Very good. Until next Saturday, then we're gonna have another alphabet. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. مع السلامة.